Oh, he's enjoying that too much.
You're debatable. See you guys upstairs. You'll be my twin. Hello, handsome. Oh no.
We're not already varsity, so it's kind of like it didn't count, you know?
Guess it wasn't Katie.
Guess not.
Probably for the best. I mean,
Alright, stop now. Hey, you over there. Why are you so nervous? You need to be walked. What? Welcome to the secret headquarters.
Alright, let's double check. You both okay? Yep. Enjoy your ride. Thank you.
Hey, how you doing there? Hey, don't be scared. You're gonna be okay. Well, not all of you. Some of you will be okay, though. A few.
No guarantee.
He's right. You're all gonna die.
remember to listen to Snowball. Something I never thought I'd say.
Love you, Josh. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drones. Come on. Go down this dark alley. Don't worry. If there was danger, my brain senses would warn. Check out my buddy cop. Yeah, a flying bird. You can go all along. You will officially send it off. These rockets are going to get us to the next door twice as fast. This plan is crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. Oh, here, boy. You're gonna get adopted in no time.
What did I tell you? Look next.
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that.
I told you that was obviously water.
Your journey is paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly. All vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Can we take one home?
You're so cute. Please, please, please.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Okay.
Pick out a leash.
Awesome. What do you say?
You're welcome, people.
It's a celebration. Yeah, you did it. You're not the early party stuff. You're a pet now. Remember, the great owners of little to no responsibility.
Oh, it's so soft.
That's it. You guys got homes. Yeah. That's what I need to do. You were tough, but I got you home.
You guys leaving already? I just found this place.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.
Cheers, thank you.